Create a new document. My artboard is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the polygon tool. I use a radius of 400 pixels and 6 sides. Pick a fill color. And select no color for the stroke. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Pucker and Bloat. Use an amount of 60%. Go to Edit. Copy. Go to Edit. Paste in front. Change the fill color. Press Alt plus Shift and make the shape smaller. Use the selection tool to select both shapes. Go to Object. Blend. Blend options. Select specified steps and use an amount of 100. Go to Object. Blend. Make. And that's how you create this flower.